What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Smartino Fx, the channel where smart Americans learn how to build real income using trading, AI, and digital tools. In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful AI tool that's helping people all over the US create passive income even if they've never made a dollar online before. No coding, no tech skills, just your laptop or phone, and a little strategy. Stick around to see the full step-by-step demo, plus how you can start using this tool today to grow your income. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss future uploads. Alright, let's dive in. So, the tool we're talking about today is called Insert AI Tool Name, and here's what it does. It helps you create high-converting digital content. You can use it to build YouTube scripts, blog posts, product descriptions, digital products, even full online businesses. It uses AI to do 90% of the heavy lifting fast, easy, and beginner-friendly. Whether you're into affiliate marketing, digital products, or content monetization, this tool can save you hours of work and help you start earning while you sleep. Let me show you exactly how it works. Step 1. Log into the tool. You can access it on your browser. No download needed. Step 2. Choose your project. Let's say you want to make a passive income product like an ebook, a YouTube script, or a social media post. Step 3. Enter a simple prompt. Type something like, create a 5-page guide on budgeting for beginners in the US, or write a YouTube script on how to make $100 a day with AI tools. Step 4. Watch the magic happen. The tool instantly creates professional quality content that's ready to post or sell. You can tweak it, add your branding, or export it as is. Here are 3 ways you can use this tool to generate passive income as a beginner. Number 1. Sell digital products on Etsy or Gumroad. Use the AI to create planners, guides, or templates. Upload them once. Get paid every time someone buys. Number 2. Build a faceless YouTube channel. Use it to write full video scripts, titles, and descriptions. Post videos consistently and earn from ads, affiliate links, and sponsors. Number 3. Start affiliate marketing without writing everything yourself. Use AI to create landing pages, blog posts, product comparisons, and link to products that earn you commission. Bonus, combine all 3 strategies for multiple streams of income. This tool is ideal if you are a total beginner trying to break into the online income space, a side hustler with limited time, someone who wants to work smarter, not harder, or a content creator who's tired of burnout. No tech skills, no big investment, just strategy plus execution. Let's be clear, this AI tool is not a get-rich-quick hack. It won't make money for you, but it will help you work faster, sound professional, and scale up faster than going solo. Think of it like your personal assistant for building online income. So, is this AI tool helping Americans create real passive income in 2025? Absolutely, if you actually use it and apply it the right way. I've shown you the demo, now it's your move. Hit the like button if this was helpful. Drop a comment. What would you use this AI tool for? Subscribe to Smartino Fx for more US-focused income tools, trading strategies, and financial freedom hacks. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research before investing time or money in any tool or platform.